Okay, so for now, I'm going to do task 7, which is construct circuit as the following. And write MicroPython, use write MicroPython connect connect the things with the RESTful API, and I'm going to test it with the web app in based on task 5 and desktop application based on task 6. So basically I already construct the circuit here. Okay. This is LED, this is GPIO 2, GPIO 33 and GPIO 32. Yeah. Okay, and then so first thing first, basically we need to code this main this main code for the ESP, where I already code it. Here I already write the code. Okay. So this is the boot basically for the Wi-Fi. So this is my Wi-Fi and this is the password here. So basically for this one, we need to paste this API URL. So basically this API URL I get from my Ngrok link. This one. I copy this and I paste it in here and continue with this one, which is from here, API v1 GPIOs. So okay, so basically that's it. And so basically first I will connect to the device, and this one we are going to upload to the ESP and run the file, connecting to the Wi-Fi right now. Okay, connected already. So for this one, this is my code. Okay, I'm going to upload into the ESP and going to run it. Okay, okay. So this is the output in here in the terminal, and this is the output for wait, so this is the output for my LED. So basically GPIO 2 is on, GPIO 33 is off, and GPIO 32 is on. So based on this one, oh, based on this one, okay. So we are going to test it with task 6, which is desktop application. So run Python file here. Okay, so I already set up because before this there's no LED2 and LED32 if I'm not mistaken, but I already set up so to make sure only this one, so it's not going to be disturbed by other things. Okay, so basically it's, as we can see here, the only the one that is tick here is basically shows that it is switch on, and the one that hasn't been ticked here is switch off. So as it is the same as the one that on my hand right now, because 32 is on. So basically this is LED 32 and LED2 is on. So basically this is LED2 and LED 32 is off, and this the one in the middle is LED 33. So for web application, this is my web application here. So basically based on this, we can see is it the same as in our desktop application as well. The 33 is in off state and 32 and 2 in on state. Okay, so I'm going to change like off this. Okay, it is currently off for 32 because I switch off. And we see in here it's a bit late in here. But it's okay. So we try to switch on from desktop. Okay. So 33 is on state right now because I switch on from desktop. Okay. From the application. So I think that's all for my task 7 here.